Wow. This camera is like totally awesome, isn't it? Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ali, but you can call me Ali. So the reason why I showed my sleeping to you is that so many of my friends tell me my sleeping habit is really bad. What kind of really bad sleeping habit do I have? My friends tell me that sorry. Sorry. So my friends tell me that so my really bad sleeping habit is BRUXISM. Bruxism. I mean, teeth grinding, right? Like this. Like this thing. Do you hear my my teeth grinding? Got it? I can do this. So unfortunately, I really don't know how bad, how noisy my bruxism my teeth grinding is. I mean, I can't know. I can't know. I mean, so you and me. So we can't know. I mean, it's impossible to hear our bruxism, our teeth grinding, while sleeping. Can you do that? I don't think we can do that. You, and I'm sorry, we. So I thought, oh, wait a minute, I could film it by my MacBook. Fortunately, I filmed it only just one time. I think I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky. So let's hear it together, how bad, how noisy it is. If you do not mind, yeah. If you don't mind, yeah, you know, please hear it together. I would like to hear my like noisy bruxism with you. Okay, so far it's no problem. Yeah, nothing bad. Did my friends lie to me? What the f? What happened? Okay, 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 I don't, okay, I don't believe this. I don't wanna believe this. No way. So what is your bad sleeping habit that you might know if your friends or like if your family tell you that like, oh, you know, like blah 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 blah. So what is your bad sleeping habit? Please comment below and I would love to know, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
1, 2, 3, 4. Buena.